Okay, starting on question 16 here. So this is moving on from 16. This is a pretty easy one. It's just asking you to use symbols to represent a ratio. So this is a ratio of 5 to 6. All you're going to do is just draw two separate symbols that actually represent this ratio. So I got 5 squares and 6 circles. So that's all you're doing for that entire equation, or for that entire problem. Okay, this is just basically finding ratio equivalence. So in this class, if there's a ratio of boys to girls is 5 to 4. There's 5 boys to every 4 girls. In this class, it happens to be 15 boys. So all we're doing is we're taking our original ratio here, and we're comparing it to finding an equivalent ratio. And because we don't know what this one is yet, we're just going to use the letter G to represent girls. Okay, so the important thing here is that we're matching up our terms. So if we take this here and we see that this is term 1 and term 1 here, we need to find the connection here. So what number basically multiplies by 5 to give us 15, or what number divides 15 evenly to get us 5? And so we can see that the magic number here is 3. So 15 divided by 3 gives us 5, or 5 times 3 gives us 15. So what we can say is that this number here times 3 is going to give us G. So if we say 4 times the magic number 3 is going to give us G, we can just simply say G equals 12. And that's all we're doing in that particular equation. Now the second part says is that the girls in the class have been reduced to 2. So in this case, we simply are going to say 15 to 10, because it's no longer 15 to 12. It's now 15 to 10. And it's going to equal a new ratio of 5 to G. And it's the same sort of thing. The magic number here is still 3. Okay? So all we need to do is take 10 divided by 3 is going to give us G. And in this case, the magic number is 3 and a third. 3 and 1/3 equals G. Okay? Or 3.3 repeating. Okay? Okay, and this one, again, similar to the last equation that we just did. So basically, all you're doing is finding the magic number here. We're looking at, let's see here. So we look for our first term. Our first term is matched up here. Second term is matched up here. We can see that the magic number here is 10. So we're just going to... So we can see here that the magic number is, in fact, 10. So we're just going to say, well, we know that 3 times the magic number is going to give us H, and in this case, the magic number is 30 equals H. Okay? In this next one here, we've got 3 parts, so but we don't have to get too confused because it's 3-part. All we got to do is just find one of them. So we just match up our first terms. We can see that the magic number is 4, so 84 divided by 4 equals 21, or 21 times 4 equals 84. So therefore, we just say that we know that 27 times 4 is going to equal T, and in this case, T equals 108. All right, for questions 22 and beyond, see the next video.